Hello everyone, welcome to DNA Coding School. I am really excited today because I have very good announcement for you. From today, I am going to start a free Java Mastery series for everyone, guys. A complete step-by-step Java learning journey. Okay, and the journey is designed to help you become confident in Java, guys, from basic to advanced level. And the best part about this journey is this entire series is 100% free for all of you guys. It does not matter whether you are from IT background or non-IT background, whether you are a student, job seeker, or a working professional. This series is for everyone, whoever wants to learn Java in simplest and easiest way, guys. Okay? If you want to understand Java in simplest and clearest way, then you are at the right place, right? And I'll just take you to the next slide and I'll explain you what things I'm going to cover to make you master, guys, in this Java series. And I've just mentioned a couple of points here by dividing it into the five modules. And the points which I mentioned here, these are not only the points which I will be covering throughout this series. I'll be covering a lot more, guys, because here I've just mentioned this thing just to give you the high level overview. Okay, let's say in the first module I've explained here, like I have given here, like I'll be explaining you about a Java language, OOPS, and logical programming, right? And as I'm telling you guys, the unique way about the DNA coding school is, even if you are a beginner, even if you are a non-IT background student, still you should be able to understand Java in the easiest way. That is our main motto, right? And here, even if you do not have any prior experience of C or CCP, here, if you want to learn Java, there are no prerequisites. What does it mean? You can start Java as your first programming language and still you will understand Java. That is our assurity, okay? And here simply I'll explain you from the very beginning, like what is Java, how Java works, how can we write very first Java's program, how can we execute Java program, and from basics to in depth. I'll take you in depth in such a way that you can compete with 3 to 4 years of experience developer. That much in depth I will explain you all these concepts, guys. Okay, like for example in Java, this first module, the basic things would be what is Java, what are the features of Java, and what are the things that I should explain you guys in depth, that what is the memory management, how does the memory management work, what is garbage collection, what are the OOPS concepts, what are the differences in between them. All those things I will explain you in detail. Okay, if I'll talk to you about module 2, guys. In module 2 we are going to explain you about Java 5, 6, 7 features. Like there is Java 5 was the major release, guys, and in the major release there was so many things were introduced, just like generics, enums, auto boxing, unboxing, enhance for loop, try with resources. See, even for beginners, guys, even these things are feeling new for you guys. No need to worry at all. All these things are I'm going to discuss in very much detail with you guys in my coming series. Okay. This is the third module that I want to tell you about, the Java API, collections and project development. Okay. In this module, guys, the very important thing, that entire collection framework we are going to discuss. Most important framework, guys, for Java developer, okay, for your future and for creating projects. The most important framework that we will be developing, we will be discussing, and later we will create one project by using all these things, guys. We'll be creating one project simply by using core Java, by using this thing. Later in the module 4, Java 8 features are very, very important, guys. If you are going for an interviews these days, up to having experience of 3 to 5 years or even a fresher, everybody expects from you to know these Java 8 features. In fact, these days, guys, the competition is very high. Competition is very high means if you know basics, then you're not good according to companies. Okay, you should be really good at all these things and you should be able to create projects. You should be able to work on projects by integrating AI. You should know a lot more many steps, guys. And that's why clearing interview is the very important thing for you guys, for anybody. Okay, and that's the reason we are covering the entire Java. If you are joining DNA coding school means, if you are attending this particular entire series means, from Java first versions features to entire Java 25 versions features. This is the latest Java release. By the time I am recording this video, all these things you are going to learn in detail. Okay, means this is just a high level overview from the Java first version, whichever the features are added into Java. All those versions we are going to discuss guys throughout this series in detail. Okay, I'll just take you to the next slide, then you guys will realize like why did I start this particular series, and how will it affect you, how will it help you guys achieve your particular goal. Okay, because see, as per our first point, I'm not going to rush guys because I do not have any time constraint, because whenever we just go to academics and colleges, schools, at the time of learning Java, we have seen that most of the times they just teaches us very fast. They teach us very fast. They have to skip so many topics because of time constraint as well. But here that is not the case. Okay, because of that thing guys, many students struggle with Java, because Java is not difficult at all, because they don't get the proper explanation. And that gap I want to fulfill here guys, because I have a lot of time, and in fact not about time, because there are so many things which I want to explain in detail guys, because things are very important for interview perspective, as well as later if you get job guys, those things should be very clear to you. Okay, in many places syllabus is rushed, teachers try to finish topics quickly. Okay, and on YouTube also we have seen that. Okay, you will see one shot videos, but those one shot videos won't be enough guys. Okay, you will not be able to get complete in-depth clarity by watching that one shot video, right? How will you learn entire Java in 5 hours, 6 hours guys? So that gap I want to fulfill here. Okay, even in academics as well, important topics are often skipped. Okay, but in interviews those skipped topics become the most important ones, right? There are so many topics like multi-threading, collections, and Java 8 features, Stream API. All these topics are very important, guys. All those topics I will explain in very detail by taking lot of time. Okay, so here I'll teach Java in a way that you can fully understood. Okay, you can fully understand, remember for a long time, and confidently used in interviews, guys, and real projects as well. So simple terminology, no rushing, no skipping, right? And every concept that I'm going to relate with the real-time analogies, as I have explained here in a second point, so that it will be the unforgettable understanding for you. Okay, and I'll be explaining all these things guys in a funny way by engaging you, okay, in it. Okay, but there would be some topics obviously, okay, which are very serious or and important topics, where I'll not be able to add jokes in it guys, because it won't be much appropriate in my case, okay, as per my understanding. But most of the times guys, I'll try to explain things by relating those things with the help of real life analogies, and in the end I'll give you the interview questions as well guys. I'll give you the interview questions, and I will explain those real the terminologies with the real life analogies, as well as where can we fit this particular terminology into the real world application. That thing also I will explain with you guys. Okay, so simply for now you must have understood my goal is not to finish Java. Okay, my goal is not to finish Java fast, but my goal is to make you strong in Java guys. Okay, strong in logic, confident in real world application development. So at the end of this, see, actually the ending target is that only. Okay, we are going to create one full full-fledged web-based application, because after that we are going to start one series actually for the database. Later we'll be starting with journey for the, JDBC, Spring Boot, microservices, React. By learning all those things guys, by covering all your interview questions, we are going to see how the Jenkins pipelines works and all those things I will explain you later guys, once we will start with that series, those series. But for now this series is just for the core Java with project development. So whatever the things that we are going to learn, just I have just explained you here. The things that we are going to learn, guys, by using all those things, we are going to create one project, guys, console-based project. By using all these features that we are going to learn, right? And one more thing I wanted to tell you guys, during this entire series, 500 plus programs that I'm going to write for you. Okay, I'll be sharing those codes, notes, programs, all things with you guys. Okay, either over GitHub or any other public platform. Okay, so all things are there for you only. And see, whatever this series that I mentioned here, this series is just built for an interview, right? So once you will complete this series, you will be able to crack interviews, you will be able to get jobs. Okay, and you should be able to do the real life development. Okay, so that is our main motto guys. Okay, so as I told you, notes, codes, and everything support I will give you. And the most important thing, I'll just explain you about these prerequisites. There are no prerequisites, guys, to attend this series. Even if you are a beginner, still you can attend this series. And Java as a first language you can learn, and you can move ahead with the Java, guys, because Java is really simple, fantastic to learn, very nice language to learn, guys. Okay, so if you want to learn Java from this DNA coding school, this series is just for you guys. And as I told you, our first class of this series has already been started today. So every weekend I'll be uploading the videos for you guys because I'm a working professional guy. I do not have much time on weekdays, but still for you guys I'll be preparing. See, if I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys means I do not want to miss anything. I'll be preparing very good enough. Because I want you to be updated, right? So I'll keep you updated, guys. I'll keep you posted as well, and so many things we'll be discussing throughout this entire series. And thank you, guys. Our next video uh, will be coming on a weekend, guys. Next weekend. Okay. Thank you so much.